Hello everybody. Today we will discuss projection of points, orthographic projection of points. Hope all of you know what is projection and what is orthographic projection. So generally projection means depicting an object or getting an image of an object on a plane of projection. Let us say I take an object like this, a three-dimensional object. For example, let us say I have an object like this, and then we have a plane, a projection plane, we call it as projection plane, and I am drawing some projectors. These are called as projectors, right? So from each end the contours of the object like this, and then finally I'll have an object, I'll have the projection of this, something like this. Okay, so projector from here, projector from here. Right, so that means this is the object, so we are viewing somewhere from here. This is the object, right? These are the projectors, and this is plane of projection, plane of projection, right? From each and every point on the object we are drawing projectors, right? When these projectors intersect a plane, right, then we get the image or the projection of this particular object. So this is called, this is the general process of projection, right? So now here we are discussing orthographic projection, right? So in orthographic projection, generally a three-dimensional object is projected as a two-dimension, orthographic projection, right? So usually the lines of the projection lines, it's a parallel projection. The projection lines are parallel to each other, and most important, and the lines of projection are perpendicular to plane of projection. Then we call such a projection as orthographic projection. Okay, so the line of the projections or the projectors, projectors are perpendicular to plane of projection. Okay, then such a projection we call it as orthographic projection. Okay, so sometimes it's called this coming from the word orthogonal, which you already learned in your +1 or +2. Orthogonal means a perpendicular, right? So sometimes it's also called as orthogonal projection, right? All the projectors are perpendicular to the plane of projections, plane of projection, right?